we are Ferran and Olga. We are from Barcelona in Spain, and it's the first time that we come to India. Why we decided to come to India right now? Well, we have been married just a week ago.
Okay, so it's a honeymoon tour.
Yeah. And well, we know a lot of people who has been here in India. Everybody has said that it's a very good place to visit, and we decided to come.
Okay. So till now you've been to Delhi, Udaipur and Jodhpur.
That's right.
Since you've not covered much, I don't have many questions to ask on these destinations. Which was the best place?
What did you like?
What did you like the most?
I don't know. Udaipur.
Yeah,
Udaipur.
I think
Pleasant
so
city.
too. Yeah, it's very nice. It was the first place that we visited because we didn't stay in Delhi for a long time. We arrived in a late flight and we started the tour at we took the flight to Udaipur the next morning. So Udaipur was the first place, the first India place that we visited, and we like it very much.
So you people seem to be more interested in architectural places, something of that sort?
Yes, because well, we think that the most important thing you have to know is a little bit of history of the place and then the people.
So guides and all have been well?
Yes, very well. We had the two guides, and they were well. They demonstrated us that they know everything, and that's very important.
Okay. And how about the driver?
Very good. Driving here in India is completely mad. From our point of view, because it's completely different. So at first we were a little bit smashed, but they are very good drivers. We feel very safe with them. That is the most important thing.
Time when are you planning to come to India?
We don't know if we will come again, but if we decide to come with more people, maybe or whatever, you don't hesitate. We will contact you.
Oh, sure. We'll be more than happy to serve you. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank you.